All right, as you can see that I deleted my alarm, and I'm gonna present you guys the reason why I haven't posted a video in like 2.5 years, because I worked a W-2 job to qualify to buy my first home. I'm a first-time home buyer. There's a lot of things that I need to change and fix, and I already done a lot of cleanup, but I am happy to announce that this is gonna be a rebuild. So I'm gonna have to take this apart and turn this into a studio, because this is what it looks like right now. So basically what I'm showing you is the before I do the after, obviously. But this is an 8x12 at the moment, and I'm gonna just double it, turn into a studio, which will be doubled up to there. And it is within city codes of 200 square feet, no permits, so I can build it how I like. Worked 13-hour shifts, night shifts, and it was almost impossible to make videos. But just kind of showing you a little bit of my backyard as I'm hanging out. So this video will be like a quick documentary of what's going on here in the backyard until I really switch it up. This is where I basically hang out until I build my studio.
It's you.
That is me?
Yep.
Thank you.
Got it.
Yep, got it. Thank you. I just got a product here that I'm gonna be unboxing to review. I'm like I said, I'm coming back, guys. Very slowly, but surely. So yeah, I just want to say hi and bye, and just in case there was anybody out there wondering where the Cool Loser was, aka iBertz, aka Cool Loser Tech. All right, see you guys later.